This tutorial will explain Team Overview. Team Overview allows you to keep track of what team members have done on a specific email. It will only appear if you enable Team Overview in the View tab in the toolbar. When you click on an email, related actions will show in Team Overview. Team Overview consists of 3 different tabs: Overview, Timeline, and History. Overview is a quick summary of actions related to the chosen email. Actions are grouped together by type. The Overview tab will only show actions that are relevant for the email as it appears now. Click on the arrow to the left, and all actions of the same type become visible. You can customize what type of action should be visible. Click on the black arrow and tick the actions you want to view. When tapping OK, the overview will also show the red actions. The next tab is Timeline. Timeline is a chronological overview of the actions that are relevant to the email right now. Actions that have been undone will not be shown here. Like in Overview, you can customize what type of action should be visible. The last tab is History. History keeps a full overview of all actions carried out on the selected email, including those that are no longer valid. You can see a full chronological overview of each type of action by clicking on the small arrow. When right-clicking on an action in the History tab, press Show Details, and a pop-up will open with further details about the action. And there we have it, a quick look at the Team Overview function of reMARK. Subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.